Okay. Hello, Tiny. How are you today? It's like, holy shit, man. Holy shit. Oh. Oh, shit, man. Oh, shit. Holy shit, man.
It's so adorable. I'm gonna squeeze it. Oh,
You jacking off with the cat? You're gonna make it meow really weirdly. It's so fat. Yes, it's very, very fat. And there goes the tiny. There it goes. Whoa, it like shot into the air. Fucking fatty. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's licking itself. Oh. Oh, it just sat there. Oh shit. Now you're gonna take the video.
oh, it's a face. What the fuck you want? What you want, punk? What you want? I'm gonna eat you up. I am from your toilet.
Stop hurting.
It was purring.
That's because it purrs when it gets hurt. Tana's up here. I'll squeeze its paw. Dude, it just keeps on going and going and going. Oh my god, it's like curled over there as the tip. I'm messing with its tip. Its tip. Dude, I think it liked that. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Its tip. Oh, its tip. Freaking cat tip. Dude, man, whoa. Whoa. Dude, focus on its face. Oh. Squeak, squeak. I'm gonna mess with this tip now. It's got blue eyes. Dude.